There's tons and tons of woodworking companies across the country. And I think that the things that we've done to help us stand out or be better than the next is really about relationships. And those relationships help you in all facets of your company. We also can handle really complex products and designs, and because we're so organized and process driven, we're able to complete those really complicated things. At JC Millwork, we offer a wide range of architectural millwork products, case goods, and custom cabinetry. In late 2014 and early 2015, we purchased a large package from Stiles to put into our new production facility. We just moved from Princeton to here, and we really felt like we needed an advantage in the marketplace. And we got with Stiles and we purchased this new equipment, and here we are. When we started looking at new equipment to purchase for our new facility, we looked at a lot of different things. We made it a point to do a lot of research on who had the best service plans, who had techs that were close, and how we could keep our equipment running. We looked at safety. We looked at a lot of different things, and after researching and looking, in the marketplace on what we could buy, Stiles was the company that had the equipment that met all of our needs. When you're making a purchase like that, you've got a lot of things that you're concerned about, and Stiles was able to eliminate a lot of our concerns. Then when the equipment showed up, they were here, we got it installed, and they got us up and running as fast as we possibly could. The new equipment has impacted our business just by helping us produce more of our product. We're more efficient, our labor costs have gone down, we're able to utilize more material, so our material costs have gone down, and we're more profitable. We've got a lot of friends in this industry, and I have already told them that Stiles is the way to go. And so if someone's wanting to enter into this industry and they're looking to purchase new equipment, do your due diligence and look at all the things that are out there that you can buy, but always come back to Stiles and look at what they have to offer, because I can assure you that they're the best in the business.